As the only institution in Indonesia that has a major in Sea Transportation Department, ITS continued to develop its quality by doing cooperation with the Dutch government. It's Nava, and here's the news. As the one and only institution in Indonesia that has a Sea Transportation Department, ITS keeps giving its best to support the development and increasing its quality. Through this Memorandum of Understanding and Letter of Intent, ITS, who represented by Bambang Pramujati as a Vice Rector, cooperating with the Dutch government and industry, which led by the Minister of Infrastructure and Water Management, who agreed to the research that focused on maritime sector and waste management. The MoU that was signed at ITS Rector's Building on March 12, 2020 discussed more about how to build a ship maintenance, and other maritime fields.
Meliputi waktu itu kerjasama dengan perguruan tinggi seluruh Indonesia Timur, namanya EPI Unit. Nah, sampai sekarang masih ada. EPI Unit itu masih ada sampai sekarang. Nah, justru itu di ITS ingin kami budayakan untuk bisa dapat grant atau kerjasama dana-dana dari luar negeri ini. Targetnya satu puslit itu bisa dapat satu grant luar negeri. Masih banyak sedang dikejar sekarang tentang teknologi kesehatan, berkali-kali, sehingga harapannya itu ITS akan punya flagship, punya ikon nasional atau internasional. Tahun ini nanti insya Allah ada 2 ikon keluar. Ya. Okay. Tahun depan sama, kita target begitu. Menjadi flagshipnya nasional malahan, ya, harapannya seperti itu.
Not only improving its quality, ITS also committed to help Patimura University Ambon to establish Sea Transportation Department. After the MoU, the delegation from Netherlands invited to head a maritime innovative exhibition tour at ITS Rector's Building and visit the new building of Sea Transportation Department. That was the MoU between ITS and Dutch government. From ITS Rector's Building, our crew reported.